I got new makeup from MAC Cosmetics. Normally I do foundation, I don't normally use liquid, and also concealer. So I'm using liquid now. Ooh, probably I don't want to put too much of this concealer. I want to do this quickly. I don't have a lot of time. I'm going out for drinks with a friend. So I decided I would just put on some quick makeup. Do you see my eyelashes, by the way? I'm wearing some eyelash extensions. I went to the spa yesterday and I had some beauty treatments done, and I decided to do some eyelash extensions, and they're really nice. Look at them. I'm trying to do this fast, but I'm not very good at doing things quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna try to put on some of this foundation. It's a liquid foundation from MAC. I got it at the MAC store, and the person who helped me there was like so friendly and just knew everything about getting me the perfect shade. Voila. I have some dark spots on my face from when I got some acne, and I popped them. And I know it's not supposed to pop them, but I popped them, and they left marks on my face. I think I need some more foundation. Let me just blend this one out. I really like the liquid foundation. I think I might have put too much foundation now, but let's see. Don't want to put too much. I don't want the marks to show. Those things need to go. All of these marks on my face. Ooh, I still see a mark over here. Do you see the mark? Maybe not. Blending this out takes forever. Oh, I don't want anything going on my eyelashes. I'm gonna put some on my neck because I do have some marks there. You know, I think it's really cool how all of these things exist to just make your face look better. More flawlessy. Did I just say flawlessy? Oh my god. Flawless. Okay, that's good enough. I don't want to put on too much makeup though. I want it to be natural. So I have this mascara. Obviously I'm not putting it on my eyelashes. I'm gonna just, it's a lot actually. I hope it's not too dark. Just put a little on my eyebrows actually, just to make them darker. I actually have micro shading on my eyebrows. I still like to add a little something extra when I'm doing makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some blush. I have this one here from MAC. It's a really nice natural-ish one. It's the shade Raisin. Look at this, it's nice and kind of brown. I think I might have put too much there, but let's see. I'm gonna blend it in. Okay, I think that looks nice. Now some lipstick. I have this one from MAC Cosmetics. It's Posh Pit. I love this, it's so natural looking. I have some highlighter here. Sometimes I wear it, but not often. I'm going to put some on now. Just a little. I like to put some right here on the brow bone. And also I like to put some here, just a little, to make my nose look straight. And I take forever to do this. This should have been 5 minutes. Okay, voila. And that is the end of my makeup. I hope, yeah, I think it looks nice. Nice and natural. Voila. Put these things back in my bag. Why do I have this in the box?